In Argos, here in Australia, it's the bestseller, Triumph of Bacchus. And so this is warm white peach with a bit of rum in it. Bit of a fruity gourmand. I usually classify this as a fruity gourmand, but it has that musky rum dry down to it. It's incredibly smooth. Yeah.
This is amazing.
Have a look at this bottle here. The owner of the brand, his name is Christian, and I love that he's unapologetic. Where some brands go minimalism and they want to sort of tone down, he just goes big.
Big, the designs are big, the style of the bottle, the colors, how rich, just the boxes. If you guys have had a chance to look at the boxes or check online, he uses really rich colors for the boxes. He himself, I know, is very big into loud men's tailoring.
He's a stylish guy, but he is his own perfumer. So he's very much into Greek mythology.
The word Argos itself refers to the Garden of Eden in Greek mythology, so the birthplace of man. And every bottle ties into that Greek mythology theme. An overall fantastic house. This is a stunning fragrance. Triumph of Bacchus, I honestly get over 10 hours. So it performs really, really well. I get a really bright white peach note. And then I get that rum, that vanilla, creamy tonka bean dry down. I wear this when the sun's out. I wear this when I'm feeling like bright, bubbly, happy, a great day. I want something sweet because I'm feeling sweet.